Hi, today I'm part of the Alcatel 3T10 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the home screen and wallpaper section. Then tap to the wallpapers and you can use your photos, the Google Photos, or just wallpapers from your device gallery, for example, previously taken on your device camera or just downloaded from the internet, or the default ones. For example, let's use this wallpaper. Click here just to change the lock or home screen, just to see how that's or the preview, how that will look on your lock screen. Click to done, and now it's applied. So let's just lock the device and check, so we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. Just hold for a while the home screen with your finger and then on the left down corner tap to the wallpaper section. Then by the same way, select one from the available wallpapers, select lock screen, tap to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.